Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to UG Update. So, guys, let's talk about the Advocate Anjali series, guys. And we're going to be talking about quite an exciting episode that is going to be happening in Advocate Anjali series. What went down in court between Anjali and Aman? Guys, without wasting more time, let's dive straight into the video. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to UG Updates, please and please click on the subscription button and subscribe, and please don't forget, guys, to give the video a thumbs up. Alright, lovelies, let's dive straight into the video. So, guys, the episode begins with the judge asking Anjali to come to the dock. Anjali removes her lawyer's uniform and steps forward. But just as the judge is about to announce her punishment, a man interrupts, declaring that Anjali is innocent. The judge questions the man, asking if he understands what he is saying, as his own lawyer Raghav has accused both Abhay and Aman of attacking him. Aman insists that his brother is a good person and that Anjali is his wife. He will do anything for her. Moments later, Aman loses consciousness. Anjali rushes to him and the judge adjourns the court. Anjali takes Aman to the hospital. Sadhika anxiously asks if Aman is still alive, to which Anjali questions why she is asking such a thing. Sadhika explains that the doctor mentions Aman's condition was critical due to how Anjali brought him in. Sanya tells Anjali that Aman needs immediate hospitalization, while Anjali calls for the doctor, who takes Aman inside and warns Anjali that if anything happens to him, she will be responsible. The doctor then leaves with Aman. Ishani confronts Anjali, saying she has never seen such a selfish person, and questions why she brought Aman to court in such a fragile condition. Sadhika and Nivdita criticizes Anjali for signing a personal bond and taking Aman to court despite his serious condition. Vibhab and others warn Anjali that if anything happens to Aman, they will never forgive her. Defending herself, Anjali states that if she hadn't taken Aman to court, he would have had to live with a lifelong stain on his reputation. So later, the doctor calls Anjali inside. She follows and then sees Aman murmuring in his sleep that Anjali is innocent. Concerned, she asks the doctor about Aman's condition. The doctor reprimands Anjali, saying that bringing Aman to court in this state was a mistake. She instructs the nurse to administer anesthesia. So as the nurse complies, Anjali anxiously asks if Aman will recover. The doctor replies that it depends on Anjali, as Aman is obsessed with her. She adds that Anjali is lucky to have someone who loves her this deeply. Meanwhile, Sadhika and Nivdita approach Anjali, asking about Aman's condition. Anjali reassures them that Aman is awake and will recover soon. However, Sadhika warns her that if anything happens to Aman, she will file a case against her, calling her a murderer. Raghav, on the other hand, then calls Anjali, threatening legal actions if Aman's condition worsens. He accuses her of bringing Aman to court without considering his health and insists that such tricks will not work in court. Anjali, on face, counters his argument, criticizes him, and confidently tells Raghav that he will not win this case before ending the call. Nivdita questions Anjali's attitude towards Raghav, but Anjali remains firm, stating that Raghav is mistaken if he thinks that he will win. While elsewhere, Bhajan advises Raghav to calm down. Frustrated, Raghav exclaims that Anjali always walks out of court with her head high, and he cannot tolerate it. He urges Bhajan to take action. Then Bhajan assures him that he will do something, and Raghav reluctantly agrees. So guys, this is what transpired in court in the Advocate Anjali series. Just as the judge was about to give his verdict, Anjali walks in with Aman, but then something happened. After Aman confessed the truth in front of the judge, Aman suddenly lost consciousness and slumped, and they have to rush Aman to the hospital from the court. Now, raising a lot of tension, raising a lot of accusations, and also a lot of threats to Anjali. But regardless, guys, the court hearing or Anjali bringing Aman to court eventually helped a lot. So guys, what do you have to say about the episode and what do you have to say about the drama? Please drop what you think on the comment section. And as you do that, please don't forget that this is still UG Updates. And in case if you are yet to subscribe to UG Updates, please and please click on the subscription button and subscribe. But please don't forget guys to give the video a thumbs up. Alright lovelies, that'll be a wrap. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. I really love you guys and I'll see you guys on my next video.